Hey everyone! In today's video we're going to visit the Barberville Yard Art Emporium in Barberville, Florida. First, let's check in with Basenji and Zulu. Are you guys ready to go? It looks like you are. So the Barberville Yard Art Emporium is an amazing place we discovered on our journey. It's located just north of Orlando, Florida. And we just stumbled across it as we turned the corner, and we had to make a U-turn to go back and check it out. So check this place out. This is absolutely amazing. There is so much stuff in here. It was kind of overwhelming. We only had a short time because we had to be somewhere, but we had to stop. So here we are going in, and Basenji and Zulu are just as amazed as we are. All the sights, all the sounds, all the smells. It's a Basenji paradise. They had local honey. The interesting thing here is that everything is handmade, craftsman, nothing mass-produced. Oh, these mailboxes, these are amazing. Look at the little dogs, how cute. We asked them about getting ones made with Basenjis, but they don't have a mold for it. So if anybody out there would have the skills to make the mold, let us know. They can make it if somebody could provide them the mold. Just about anything you can imagine. They have so many different mailboxes. But that's just scratching the surface. There's so many items here. Oh, look at this one. It's a cat with wings. We're like, what? It's an amazing place, and I think we could have spent hours here. One of the guys that works there told us they get new stuff every 2 weeks, and there are people who come back 1 or 2 times a month just to peruse and look around. I think if we lived close by, that's what we would do. We would have to come by here from time to time just to see what's new. Basenji and Zulu seem to be enjoying it so far. As we rounded this corner, you can see there's a lot more of that metal art, but then suddenly we're into this wooden area. Oh wait, we're back to this giant structure here I had to show. And then we're right back to this giant wooden chair. I looked at this thing and I was like, how would you even transport this thing? It's massive. And here's the furniture to go with it. Can you imagine having a backyard where all of that would make sense? But yeah, all of this is handmade in various parts of the world, and the owner of this place works with different people to import it all. Here we have a horse made from various pieces of wood. Just so much to look at. So we're moving on again here, and we've got, over here is all of the different pottery pieces. Oh, this was a good one. When I saw this, I had to zoom in. Alright, so we're going to head down the pottery aisle here, and oh, there's Basenji and Zulu again, just sniffing away. It's kind of like if you can imagine it, you'll probably find it here. Lots of small stuff to hang on the wall. Oh, look at that alligator. And a raven. Wait, let's go back to the alligator. Wait, not so close. Ah! Just kidding. Oh, look, a German Shepherd. Alright, now we went into this part here, the indoor part, and it was interesting in here. some smaller stuff, some flat metal wall art. We actually ended up finding a really nice piece for our house in here. More wood stuff. Let's move through to the next section here. That little guy on the left, there he is. Wow. And lots more smells. Look at that fox, beautiful. Another table and chair set. And here we are back by the checkout, and that's where they're telling us about the fact that everything is one-off, handmade. And to end it all off, we had to stop right here to show you the scale of this metal thing. Who would put this in their yard? That is crazy big. The rooster. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We had fun showing this to you.